Hi, this is Caleb with App Design Tips, and I'm going to show you the sharing and commenting tools within Adobe XD. Now we're all the way done with designing and prototyping. We've tested our prototype, and now we're ready to send it to the right people for feedback. So what do we do at this point? Well, Adobe XD has a nice sharing feature, and we can use that here by clicking on this sharing icon. And we'll just title this Gen X prototype. And here we can drag an icon file here. So if we go into our assets folder, we can use this same Gen X logo here, and I'll just drop this into the area. And we need to make sure it's 120 by 120 so it fits nicely inside here. And then before we share, we just want to allow for comments here, and then we can create this link. So it just takes a few seconds for Adobe XD to generate this link, and then after that you have this nice URL that you can share. You can copy this link here and paste it inside messages, inside an email, or wherever you want. And then you can also just click on this link to see what it's going to look like. And here we have our prototype that you can share with anybody, and they can kind of click through this and get a feel for how it's going to work. And then if they have any questions, they can quickly comment with this comment icon here. And so they can either comment as a guest, or they can sign in using their Adobe ID, which is free to sign up. But if I click comment as a guest, I'm just going to choose my name here. I'm not a robot. And I will submit. Now I can make a comment here. Would like to see what the reviews tab looks like. And now you can actually pin this comment to the artboard by clicking on this icon here. And now you have this little circle that you can drag around, and I'm just going to place that right here. And as soon as I do that, I receive this push notification that I can click on. And me as the designer, I will get this, and I can sign in as myself and reply to this. So it's a really nice way to share your designs and your prototypes with other people and kind of just have a conversation around it until we polish the design based off of everyone else's feedback. If we ever want to remove this prototype and remove access for anyone to be able to see it, we can actually click on Manage Links here, and it's going to load up a web page which I'll have to sign into. And from here we can see our prototypes, and we can just click on this little trash icon right here to permanently delete. And now that this has been deleted, I can click on this link again, but you're going to see that the prototype hasn't been found. So that's very important. If you don't wish to share this anymore, you can share this to as many people as you want, and then just kind of pause that access to make sure that they don't have access after you get the comments and the feedback that they'd like.